Good morning, children. Welcome to MPK Girls School online classes. I am your teacher, Sandhya ma'am. Today in this video, based on my previous class where you learned nouns, common noun and proper noun, let's do your book exercises based on it. So children, the first exercise is from page number 13. Okay children, what do you see in the picture in front of you? You can see a library, a street, the duck. Now you have to write the names of it in the blanks given below. I hope it will be very easy for you. Everything is written on the screen only. You have to just see it and write the answers. बच्चों, आपके सामने जो पिक्चर है उसमें एक लाइब्रेरी है, स्ट्रीट है और डक है. आपको इसमें से उनका नाम देख के लिखना है नीचे दिए हुए खाली जगहों पे. Okay, our next exercise is underline the common nouns and circle the proper nouns in the sentences below. Okay children, let's move to the first sentence. This guitar has 9 strings. It belongs to Mr. Mendes. Here in this sentence there are two nouns, guitar and Mr. Mendes. Guitar is a thing. It is a general name, so it is a common noun. Whereas on the other hand, Mr. Mendes, it is a specific name, a special name given to a person. So Mr. Mendes is a proper noun. One more thing you might have noticed here, that I have in the previous video I have told you all proper nouns begin with a capital letter. Have you seen Mr. Mendes? M is written in capital. So this is proper noun. बच्चों, इस सेंटेंस में गिटार एक वस्तु है, एक चीज है. वो साधारण तौर पे हम उसको बोलते हैं, इसीलिए वो क्या है, आपका कॉमन नाउन है. और मिस्टर मेंडिस एक व्यक्ति का स्पेसिफिक नेम है, एक विशेष नाम है, इसीलिए मिस्टर मेंडिस प्रॉपर नाउन है. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस. Now in the same pattern you have to do the other sentences also. In every sentence there will be one common noun and one proper noun. So according to the rule you have to see which is common and which is proper. Now today's last homework, the last exercise. Rewrite the following sentences capitalizing the proper nouns. Here in this sentence you will have to identify which is the proper noun, and after identifying you have to write this in capital letters. So your first sentence is, have you seen the Taj Mahal? It's in Agra. So which is the proper noun over here? Taj Mahal. So Taj Mahal is a specific name given to a monument or a building. So in this T will be capital and M will be capital. The remaining sentences also in the same way you will have to first read the sentence and then find out which is the proper noun over here. And after finding the proper noun you will make it capitalized. I am sending you homework through a PDF in which you have to write the answers and send the picture of that work to me. You can do this work in any of your rough copy. Complete your homework with the help of your parents in your rough copy and send the picture of that work to me.